Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have another install video we're going to be doing for you guys tonight. And what we decided to do tonight is to put on a set of rear lights for the back of this Polaris Ranger. Right now we don't have anything, so when we're backing up we really can't see where we're going at nighttime. So we want to put a light here and we want to put a light here. Now on my old Ranger, I put a light, it was down here, but you can't do it on this one because this one has a muffler. So I looked online, did some research, and I think I found a solution that's going to help us out. So come on over here, I'll show you what we picked up. We picked up a set of rigid Ignite backup light kit, and this is what they look like. Comes with the wiring like that, and I believe these are 1,000 raw lumens. 1,000 raw lumens, and peak beam at 885 and 12 watts. So we picked up this kit right here, and then we picked up a wiring harness from Nightlight. And this is what came with the wiring harness. Comes with the rocker switch and everything, labeled rear lights. And then also we got a template from Rigid to make our holes. So we're going to probably need, I believe this is 1 3/4 hole saw. And let me show you where this is going to go. So it's going to go right there. So we'll have a light on this side, and then we'll have a light on the other side, and then hopefully it works out. We'll find out, but we'll go ahead and get everything set up, and then we'll show you how to install these rigid rear backup light kit. Alright, so we're back, and the first thing I did is I taped the template to the rear of the Ranger's bed, and I took some measurements, and I basically just went from here to here like a 1/4 inch. You guys can see there, down a 1/4 inch, and then on the side over here, on the side of the bed, I want a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch there, 1/2 inch there, and then I got a 1 3/4 hole saw right here, and of course half of 1 3/4 is 7/8, so that's right there, right in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little hole in here, and then I'm going to take this template off because I don't want to ruin it because I need to use it for the other side. So I'm just going to drill a little hole. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to take this off here and save this for the other side. Now, I did price this, so if I screw it up, this panel here is about $169. So hopefully I don't screw it up, but for those of you out there who want to know how much this panel costs, that's about $169 from Rocky Mountain ATV. But we're not going to screw it up. So let's go ahead and drill this out here. So we're going to try and keep this nice and steady. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this light in here, see how it fits. I'll feed the wire right through. You can see we can grab the wire right there. There we go. Perfect. And so that's going to go there. We'll attach that there. See it? How it's going to look? It's going to look just like that. So we'll put 2 screws there. And it almost looks like it belongs there. And then this is the wiring harness that we picked up. So as you guys can see, this one's going to go over to this light here. This one's going to go right there to this light. And then we'll run it under the bed with the main wiring harness. And then we'll bring it right out through here. So we'll come from the back through here, run it right down underneath there. And we'll attach it to the main wiring harness here, just like we did the other ones. And then come out the front. And we'll just come up right here, and then we'll hook into there. And then we'll cut a new hole out for the rocker switch. And that'll be it. So we'll go ahead and we'll get that other hole drilled out, and then we'll show you how we ran these wires. Alright, we've got those all installed. You guys can check it out. Drill both holes. Pretty squared up. And I think they came out pretty good. So I wanted to let you guys know, let's go around the front and show them. We started the wiring harness from the front. And I'm glad we did that, because we came up a little bit short. So we attached the relay right there, so you guys can see that. And then this is your negative and hot. We can do this 2 ways. We can either hook it up to the pulse bar, or we could hook black there and then red over here. I haven't decided which way we're going to do that yet. And then this is what is going to go into there for the rocker switch. And so we just ran it down through there. And show them over there. And then we came out, we took this piece out right here, just with the push pins, the 6 push pins, and then we ran it along the main wiring harness under through there. And then we came out right here, we got it all zip tied, and then this is where it ends for the one light. So we had to add extensions on here. And we'll go ahead and we'll heat shrink these and all that kind of stuff. But we just wanted to get them all hooked up first. So we went through there. And then we came out the back here. So we came out the back right there. And then ran it right here. And then now this is where we're at. So we got these 2 right here. This one. It's going to go to this light over here. We're going to hook these 2 up. And then this one's going to go over there to that other light and hook that up. And then we'll cut out for the rocker switch. And then we'll be, should be all wrapped up. I wanted to show you guys how we ran this wiring harness. So make sure you start from the front if you want to use this wiring harness. And then just put your little add-on connectors there to get it to the back, because that's the way we want to run it. We want to run it nice and neat and go from there. So we'll go ahead and we'll hook these up right here, and then we'll come back and we'll show you how these lights look. Alright, we got this all done, you guys can see. And let's come on around here to the side here. And what we ended up doing was we cut a little square right here, put our rocker switch in right there, and then we ended up wiring this to the pulse bar. So now it's going to come on key hot only. So we turn it on, you guys can see it lit up, and then when we turn the lights on, that lights up, and you guys can see the lights are on. I like it. That's pretty bright. So I tell you what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll take this outside. We'll show you what it looks like. Doesn't do it justice inside in the garage here. And then you guys can see what it looks like. Alright guys, we're out here. We're going to go ahead and test it out and see what it looks like. pretty bright. What do you think? Those two little lights lights up the whole backyard here. Right up here, come here. Alright, pitch dark. Damn. Really nice when you're backing up, especially when you're plowing snow, working out at nighttime. And this is our mirror we put in. And our front one. So we got this Ranger all lit up. Let's go back in the garage. End this video. Alright, little bonus clip for you guys. We wanted to show you what it looks like inside the cab, looking out the back window. Big difference. Definitely going to be able to see what we're doing when we're backing up at nighttime. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nice little short video for you guys. Anybody who's looking for some reverse backup lights, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for these rigid lights. You guys can check them out if you're interested. If you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Also, please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And with that being said, see you on our next one.